Hey guys, Doggy here, and I'm trying to move this really quickly. I'm with my friend, and we found this really creepy jammer, and we're gonna be basically stalking him, my friend. Oh, this is him. This is the guy. Say hi, and she keeps going on BRB. This boy, not her, but she needs to get out. Sorry, but you gotta go. Sorry. I mean, I may seem rude, but I don't want people in my den because people just keep coming in my den and following me, and I'm just like, oh. I'm trying to be nice, but you just won't stop. Dude, could you come back later? If she comes back the instant I unlock this, I'm keeping it to buddies only forever. Well, I'm just gonna go along. Oh my god, where is it? Why does this look like a face? Shush. Don't tell them I'm recording. I can't know. I got sunflower seeds. Oh my god, I thought my bear was a chicken. I mean a turkey, that wasn't Coke. I was like, ew, what is that thing? Oh my god. My friends. That's why I'm literally quitting Animal Jam for a while. Ah, they came back! Get back from me! I'm hungry. Ding. Apparently that my friend wants me to stay, so I will. Oh my god. I'm probably really laggy. Oh my god, they just realized there's only a girl here. I have a ring. Cool. I don't understand. I don't understand why you need this and why you need tiki torches. Is that supposed to be some weird, creepy thingy trial magic? I can't really talk. I had the weirdest dream last night. Okay. I don't understand. Your ring isn't even glitched. Okay, who could be in my den? And I'm pretty sure it's Princess Lola. Uh-huh. I don't want to do... Why? I don't understand what's going wrong here. This video's going downhill! I'm just gonna pause this until I get to the juicy part. So... I don't understand! Oh, please. Please no. I don't understand. I don't understand. I'm just gonna pause until I get to the juicier parts. Oh my god, I just thought of a steak. I just want a steak so bad. Can this girl shut up? Stand. I don't understand. I'm rude. Yeah, get out. No, you're not being my friend anymore. Pick Bunny. Why I don't want to be friends with her is because she's annoying. You're annoying, Bunny. What is this guy? Is she telling me that? Are you telling me to back off when she's my friend, right? When you're supposed to... Someone to... No! 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 Back down! Back the heck down. I thought he was in your den. Get him! No, Mom has one in her room. I take role playing very seriously, but this isn't a role play. You know how serious I take this stuff? Very seriously. Like that. You know, doing like that. I'm just gonna... He's our boyfriend. He had to save my friend.